welcome to Crap Fire Unboxing. I'm Davey, and this is my channel where I get to unbox stuff or reveal things that I've bought. So today I went to Walmart and I was very excited. My husband found me a box, y'all. That's right. They had one left. So this is curated by Culturefly as well. And I had read on, I believe, their website, someone had asked them a question if they sold their boxes in stores. They said yes, they did, but they weren't the same as the subscription box you can buy through their website online. I will leave a link below to their website so y'all can go check that out, because they don't just sell subscription boxes, they sell other items as well. These are called smoles. I believe I'm pronouncing it right. Anyway, so this has 5 items in it. And what's really cool is it does show you a picture of the mug. I do not have a black giant Central Perk mug. I do have, however, about 3 of the big white ones. They're different sizes, but you know. So this is a Culturefly exclusive box. So we are going to open this bad boy up. So you open it up. Oh, okay. This is cool. I don't have a friend's pen. So it's the turkey head pen. I will definitely use this pen. I will save the packaging so I can put the pen back. I will do that. All right, that's cool. And it's really neat. The top comes off. So in case you want to put it on a different pen. So that's pretty cool. I like that. So if the ink runs out, if you want, you can put your turkey on there. Now if I can get the cap off. I don't know, guys. Oh, there we go. All right. It does have a little seal thing on the tip of it. So it does have a cap, so that's cool. Oh, that's cool. It's not just like an ink pen. It's like one of those really detailed, like, felt pens. I will definitely use this. That's going to be cool to take to work and use. That's awesome. All right, so I'm very, very, very excited about my turkey head pen. That's cool. All right, next on the list, this is what I was talking about. They're smoles. I believe, yeah, smoles. And they don't have just friends. They have, I believe, baseball and a couple of others. So what you do is you take this top part off and you lift it. And when you do, there is a place for your character's feet and their little accessory. So you flip it open like that, and the top comes right off. Oh, man. All right. So I will probably give this away. I already have Phoebe. And I will go ahead and open her. I mean, it's pretty much open anyway. So you get the little figurine. And then she came with a little bitty guitar. So I will probably give this away because, like I said, I already have Phoebe. So that's a little disappointing because I already have this item. This box, by the way, was at Walmart for $24.98, something like that. So I will sell this smole. I don't know why they're called smoles. And then the top just snaps right back on. And so you'll take this part off and you would stick Phoebe and her little accessory in there. But it's still really cute. So this is kind of like the first box that Culturefly put out, the subscription box, because I vaguely remember, I think it was a lighter blue, but this is exactly the same hat we got. Same design, denim, but this one seems a little on the darker side. But they really do, they fit real good. I mean, it's comfortable. And you can't never have too many hats. As a matter of fact, Yeah. So you can't see it in the camera, but up there I have my hat out of my first box. It is a lighter denim and the lettering is black on there. But that's all right. I can always use another hat. And we did get another blanket just like in our first box. But this one is the same pattern. But it's different material. It's like one of those felt, real soft felt blankets. I may go ahead and sell this one too. I may go ahead and sell this. I know that there were a lot of people wanting the first subscription box and they missed out because once it was sold, that was it. There was no more. Okay, so last but not least is the coffee mug. And I will most likely keep this box in case I have to ship this small or maybe the blanket. Alright. Oh yeah, see, and this cup is even shaped different. It's not even, and it has the Friends logo. I will definitely use this. I've got a cabinet full of coffee mugs, and I use every single one of them, y'all. So I like that. Okay, well, so I got 3 out of, 5? I got 2 of the same items. 3, I guess, if you count the hat. But the hat is slightly different. The blanket is slightly different, although it is the same pattern. So I am really excited about this box. I really am. It was half the price, and I did only get half the items. So, I mean, that's fine. That works for me. I don't care. So, anyway, let me know what you think. Keep your eye open in the electronic game section area in your Walmart. Because right now, they have the Funko Pops, the really good leather mini backpacks. And right now they have the Disney and they have Seinfeld. And usually if you can find The Office, that show Office, The Office, if you can find that stuff and Seinfeld, most of the time they will carry Friends products as well. So I've been keeping my eye open. I want one of them backpacks really bad because online the cheapest I think I found it was like $35-$40. At Walmart they're $19.95. So anyway, keep an eye out, all you Friends fans out there in that area of Walmart. And maybe you will come across your culture flight box. They only had this one box. That was it. They didn't have any more. That was it. So I'm very excited that I was able to get it. Anyway, let me know in the comments what y'all thought about this. Was it worth the $25? I believe it was. I really do. This cup alone and getting this pin, 2 items that I did not have at all, was well worth it to me. Anyway, like I said previously in my other videos, once I hit 100 likes, 100 subscribers, I will do a giveaway. I will randomly pick someone and I will mail you all a goodie box. I already have some stuff bought for that goodie box. So, hit the like button, subscribe, tell your friends, ring my bell. And until then, take care of each other and be kind. Have a good day, y'all. Bye.